Based the 11th of July 2022. We have Alberganesplanadi. Alberganesplanaden to stick be here and Leppävaara, Alberg, Espoo, Espoo. In Helsinki-Helsingfors region, Finland. And we have an elevator that was marked by Otis. Let's see if it is Otis 1000. Let's see if it is Otis 1000. Student housing here in Leppävaara, Alberg also, but on this other side of the station, where the cell ship is located as well.
Crap, this somewhat, but
okay,
one right.
Built in 1997. But this was built by. No, it was a Semag.
Yeah.
Before it was Semag before. I know, yeah, we know that because it had those newer Semag buttons.
Yeah.
But the 1997 rise too early, only 13 years after. 2010, the number is B1 is Y2050, and the earliest number is 55117. Be expected next year, 2023. That was way too early.
Yeah.
And too late motorization, but also completely unnecessary. Too early motorization and completely unnecessary.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. But we know what it was originally.
Yeah. Inspected by kiva inspectant made by silloin.
But it's kind of no wonder because this is student housing, so
Yeah.
Otis has been doing this really horribly actually
Yeah.
in many places. As far as we know, almost everywhere. But some origin too in Viki also, but those are exceptions.
Yeah.
So that's it.
That's